Hello everyone, how is your day? Have you ever wondered that sometimes we do misconcept our satisfactions and the God's will or plan or divine alignment or timing? I think I will put this on this way. Everyone, sometimes you do find yourself in situations where you fail to explain what the essence of the things that are happening in your entire life or in the whole process of life. Whereas sometimes life is so difficult in a way that you fail to explain. You fail to explain what the cause, what the reason, and what the aftermath of all the actions or things which are happening in your line of life. It's like this. Uh, Sometimes what you think is not actually the reality of things or how things happen or how things appear to be. Our ideas are just wish thinking that you should get this, you should get that, or you want this, basing on our normal judgment on the way we judge things, because human beings judge things basing on petty things like color, like wealth, like richness, and whatever. The way we judge things is not actually the way things appears to be. That's why we misconcept divine timing or God's will or plan with our wish thinking. That uh, I should advise, just a piece of advice to everyone. Just let God things happen on the way they are planned. Do not think that you want this and exactly should get what you want. Sometimes you might be wanting a death or your way of explaining things. It might be a death trap or a way which lead into trouble, into more trouble. Uh, you should abide to to principles, because many people have been confused in recent days, where they think that when you get your satisfaction or when you get your results of life, the wants in life, because you have a lot of wants, basically not needs, because we prefer to execute our wants rather than needs. We have a lot of wants in our life. Everyone wants to own a good car, a good house, a what? A reputation, basing on his own judgments or his own doings or her own doings. But a bad thing is that uh, the way we wish to achieve things sometimes is not the way that can lead us into triumph. Because when you are obsessed with material things, it's hard to achieve the goal of your life. It's hard to achieve what you want. And because we are being fooled that age is a factor of achieving what you want. But to me, for my experience and my knowledge, of course, I disregard this with the fact that age are just numbers. Because there is no place which is written that you should succeed maybe in a certain age, but it's just opinions of the public, that the public the public wants you to succeed at a certain age, but there is no exact age that you should succeed, and there is no exact way that you should follow, which will lead you into success. But we abide into our own principles. We stay on the lane where things will fall underway, because this life is terrible. It's terrible, especially when you are confused with the media and the other people who like to show off their things, who like to put their life into social medias, that they are like that, they are like that. It has brought actually a disease where most of our friends, our fellows, think that to live like someone is to achieve a life, or is to achieve the dreams you have ever wished to achieve into your entire life. But live the way you want, do the things on the way you like, do everything basing on your knowledge, your plans, and whatever, because a life worth spent is the one which doesn't try to impress others. When you live trying to impress the public or the friends, the family, and whatever, you will starve yourself into death, because the world is full of confusion. The world is full of confusion, especially in recent days, where everyone has got a chance to raise opinion, has got a platform to say anything he or she wishes to say. So life is a bit confusing in such a way. So live your life. Get to do the things which are necessary, only necessary things, and never ever be filled with the life of others, because others or someone's life it less concerns you, because that's their life, and the life you are living is yours. So our wishes sometimes skip the line that God's plan is absolute in not our way of thinking. The way you think and how God planned things, or how God has laid a plan of your life, is basically not the same. So sometimes the way you try to pull the things harder, the way they are getting away from you. That's the principle. Magnetism, or what? In psychology, the way you try to grab something, or the way you try to want something more, is the way those things try to pull away from you. That's why you should relax. Just relax. Make your life simple. Make your life go in the right way by just thinking and letting other things go. It's not surely that everything you want, it can come in the way you wish, because sometime in life we get what we deserve and not what we want. So you might be wanting a small things, but you deserve a bigger one. But if you calm down and you relax and wait for the Mother Nature to interrupt on your things, or the divine manifestation of things to take place, you can achieve the bigger things rather than wanting a small one. So basically, for my opinion, or for summary, I would like you to abide to nature, abide to God's plan, the divine timing or manifestation of things. by letting things go and staying on your way, on your right way of doing things, regardless of how people say or whatever they say, whatever and whatever. Just stay on the line and leave the Mother Nature to decide for you. That's all what I wanted to say for today. My name is Lucas Selemani. I'm an economist, author, and philosopher of this generation. So that was all for today. I wish next time when we get a time, I will discuss on other things which are necessary for life. These are some some foods or stuffs for necessary for or essential for your brain to operate in a normal sense. Thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. Till next time.